Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Mimaki Master Studio. Today, we'll demonstrate how the Mimaki UCJV series prints on faux leather. Using Mimaki LUS170 ink, the UCJV can print on coated and uncoated media as well as a wide range of textiles. With an adjustable head, height up to 3 mm, the UCJV can handle thicker media like the faux leather we're printing on today. The printer take-up bar maintains constant tension to ensure stable printing on our material. We start by creating the design. Then we'll load the finished graphic into our Rasterlink software. With a few simple clicks, our file is ready to print. The UCJV series and LUS170 inks, with white, make digitally printing roll-to-roll on faux leather and specialty materials possible. And since the inks are instantly cured, the printed faux leather is ready to be handled for sewing and finishing. So much versatility and value in one printer. A perfect print job with stunning results. For more information on the UCJV300 series and detailed application guides, visit mimakiusa.com. And be sure to follow us on social media. Join us next time for Mimaki Master Studio.